Hello there, welcome to my channel. I have been creating websites in the past using HTML and CSS, but the task was time consuming and required a lot of patience and practice. Now, with the advent of AI, creating a website is just a click away. AI provides you the complete code based on your prompt containing your requirement. There is no more hassle of struggling with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, CSS Grid, Flexbox, etc. Everything is taken care of by the AI tool. Your prompt, therefore, is quite important. Depending upon the type of website you want to create, just create a prompt and type it into ChatGPT. You will be surprised by its result. Within seconds, ChatGPT will provide you the complete code of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as may be required, and also makes the website responsive. If you have enough knowledge of HTML, CSS, customizing the website created by AI will be easy. I have created a prompt for making a sample one-page website. I have placed that prompt in the detail section below for your ready reference. This is the prompt that I have created. This prompt, if you just type it or copy it and paste it in ChatGPT, like I go to ChatGPT, I open ChatGPT, and if I paste it here, paste the code here, and then say go, the ChatGPT will start giving me the code instantly. Like it started already, you can see. Here is the code. So first it will give me the CSS and then follow it up with the HTML. And once the code is completed, the preview button here will get highlighted. So you can preview it from here as to the design of the website. If you are not satisfied, you modify your prompt and then ask ChatGPT to modify it. Let's say it is still going with the HTML. It will take it a few more seconds, I think. We are in the footer. Yes, and this is the complete. Now you can see the preview button is highlighted. So if I click on it, it will show me the preview. Now here the access will not be available. Once you have seen the preview, then go to the desktop and create a new folder. You can name it any way you want. Like I will say travel website. So once this folder is created, then go to the text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code, so you go to File and then say Open Folder. Now on my desktop, I have the folder travel site. I select this folder. Now the folder is selected. Now the first item here is a new file. So click on this, it will create new file. You can go to File and then say New File, either way. So here I will say index.html. This is a file, blank file it is created. Now this code that I copied from here. So this I'll come back to the text editor and paste it here. Now you can see the whole code is pasted. Now if you come to the preview, go live and then check. So this is the website that is created. So one more image is yet to come, because these are images which are picked up. Yeah, here it is. These are the images, as you can see, are picked up from Pixum photos. So these images you need to replace with your own images and the text. You can also add more columns as may be required. And if you have any doubts about how to add columns, then you can again go back to ChatGPT and ask it for code. Just below the code that has already been displayed by it, if you come to the bottom here, the next prompt, here you can ask ChatGPT for any further clarification or any additional column code. Because then ChatGPT will know that you are referring to this code of the website. As you can see, ChatGPT gives a combined code of both CSS and HTML together. Like you can see from the style, it has started the CSS, and then when it comes to HTML, here it has started the HTML. So you can bifurcate the files. Like CSS, you can put it in a separate file. So what we can do is, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut out all this code till it comes to HTML. Yeah, just before the style. And this, I'll just cut it out. Then come to file and open a new file. And this I'll name it as style.css. Create a new file. And this also you save it as style.css. And then paste that code here. Now, merely pasting the code is not going to help. You will have to attach that style.css file to the HTML file. So do that. We need to come here to the header, and then in Visual Code, if I just type link and then press the tab, it gives me the code. And here I will say style.css. Now this links the style.css to the HTML code. Now this title, what is given here, this is only a sample. You need to change the title as you want it, whichever way you are naming the website. You can remove the tag style from here because that is not required. Website is responsive. Like if you just collapse it, you can see it is beautifully collapses. You can see the entire website is collapsed into a smaller viewport. Just at the click of a button, with just code that is given, you put it in the text editor and then just say go, and you have a beautiful website here. And with this images change and all the modifications that is required, your website is ready. I will come up with another video on how to create a modern website using AI. So stay connected by clicking on the like button, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you for watching.